Yo, what's good? Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFolite channel. Let's double check what's going on with Celestia. We're still inside this local channel. I don't want to explain you once again the global idea and what's happening with Celestia because everything showed you in at Zone 24. So congrats if you watched the video. So now let's focus only on the local zone. Will we bounce or not? So first of all, we trade so underrated because the fundamental value of the stock in a weekly time frame $1.65. So sooner or later, anyway, I think we will test this line. So let's add alert to test, not to take profit. Let's first test the fundamental value of this price. This one, so $1.65. So it at current moment, you have to know that all lines are dynamic because the fundamental value of the stock in June 25 was $3.60. That's why you have to not just watch the video and I'm gonna add alert to the $1.68 and gotta wait. No, it doesn't work like this one. You have to add alert to the fundamental value line because the lines are dynamic. That's the point. And on the different time frames, it's gonna be the totally different prices. Depends of the algorithm. What do we use it for this indicator? All right. I would like to remind you guys that the main entry of the big guys who invested at the stock in around 1 cent. I post a million times videos about Celestia and a market at this point, like 1 cent. It's possible. One day, maybe we will drop, maybe not. Nobody knows. The entry point, I don't know, is it real? To double check on a Sol, the fundraising round was like 20 cents, I guess. Oh, 4 cents. And of course, here, Solana, who could imagine? So Solana private round was 4 cents and the 20 cents, 20 cents. And Solana didn't drop to that entry. That's why you just have to keep in mind Celestia's private round or the seed round was 1 cent. It's more than real to see that price, but it doesn't mean we will see one day. Series A round was around 10 cents. This is more than real to see. So the 10 cents is around, we already been at 23. So the 10 cents is around here, the test of the downtrend of this channel line. I hope we will not see this test because we already, if from the last video, we drove the hypothetical channel, we cut all noise and use this one like a touch. So we more touches at the bottom than at the top. So now we passed the equilibrium. So I hope we will not drop, for example, by end of the February to 2 cents to 3 cents to the touch of this bottom. But it's possible to drop, for example, by end of February to 10 cents, like this area. So, all right, let's mark the level, the horizontal line. 10 cents. I hope we will not drop, guys, that low because it's going to be pretty weird. Let's add the coordinates. So the 10 cents round number. All right, done. But it's possible. It's possible if the market makers get a plan to, because if the market makers get a plan to dump the price to the Series A rounds of Zone 22, current prices, it can be the drop 67%. I think we will not drop, but it's more than real to test again the equilibrium. It's 25. I also don't think it will happen, but once again, everything possible in crypto. Nobody could even imagine. So Celestia will dump to 24 cents, right? And people say it's impossible from $20, but everything possible, guys. So fundamental value, we already retested on the daily time frame. So I don't think so we will drop again to fundamental value. But keep in mind, it's more than real to see. I think we can reverse from current prices. I don't want to shield you don't think I'm shield you some, buy now. No, I think it's more logical to see some rebounds to the top of this channel and maybe even out of this channel to 62 cents. Because now we already retested the daily time frame buy line. For the value tested, we tested the buy line now on 12 time frame. And more likely, BTC can recover to, I don't know, to 96, for example. So it's more than real to see, in this spring, 96, 103K. And Celestia can follow. So the take profit line is 62. Exit line is 70 cents. So it's more than real to see some of these levels. And I hope if we will see one retest or without retest, something like this one by end of February, retest and finally recover move. If not, unfortunately, guys, yes, it can be a long, boring road to March 26 to the 10 cents. This one, Series A rounds. So this is it, guys. So work with the own money management and the risk management, because you have to understand it's even from current prices. If the market makers get a plan to dump more tokens, it's March 8th. It can be 69% down from current prices. So be careful, guys. All right, so let's double check the other indicators. This channel, basically, for now, it's still relevant. Daily time frame, this is accumulation. So I think that's why I think we will rebound. We already closed over than 50% of this week. This is accumulation. This is accumulation on a direction indicator. Weekly time frame. Also, finally, since the end of December, we see that some signals of accumulation. So this is definitely not a signal to sell. This is not a definitely signal to sell on ADZ. So I think more bullish signals than bearish. Total capitulation, total disbelief on a weekly time frame, daily. It's still disbelief, no A3 and nothing, even on a 12 time frame. This is still accumulation. Accumulation was here in February 5 and the 6th. 2 days in a row accumulation, disbelief. So guys, now a lot of signals showing us it's more than okay and more than real to see some bounce higher. But I hope we will not drop, but it's possible. This is money in was in January. This is money in also January, February 1st. Weekly time frame here is money in. 2 weeks in a row, money in. So it's good. Monthly time frame. Somebody accumulated Celestia for just speculation. I'm more than sure just for pure speculation. And the last indicator, guys, trade on. This is the signals to buy. This one, the last one was February 6th, a 12 time frame. And signals to buy with the bounces on the daily. Weekly time frame also is good because we saw the signal take profit in December, signal to buy. We bounce it, and I wish to see another signal to buy. But keep in mind, guys, you can add just simple alert to the 10 cents to this level and track it. Maybe at 10 cents, maybe even I will touch the Celestia just for the spot for rebounds to the 20, and I will withdraw my initial deposit. So that's it, guys. Guys, write please in a comment what you think about a Celestia. I showed you just local updates for EA. I hope we just consolidate here. Just grab maybe this liquidity at 27, at 25, at 20 cents. We stop and rebound to the 62. So that's my plan. Guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, like I said, we're showing in this video is right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.